Happy Sunday, everyone. It is butterflies everywhere today, and we have two monarchs to release. My daughter's gonna do the honors. Are these females or males, or one of each?
I think it's one of each.
One of each, okay.
This is a male.
This is a male here.
You can tell by the dots on the bottom of the wing.
Oh, how beautiful.
There's like a black dot in the orange.
It's beautiful. Oh. And away he goes. This one might be a female.
Let's see. It's a male.
This one's a male too, so we have two males today, and they are sassy. Okay, it's a hot one today. There you go. Take good care. Always enjoy the day.